On increasing the temperature of a substance, gradually its color becomes. So we know that according to Wind's displacement law, as the temperature increases, the wavelength is going to decrease, or we can say that the color is going to change from red color to blue color or towards the violet region, because red color is having a maximum wavelength or minimum temperature. So in this diagram we can observe that as the temperature increases, the color is going to change from red to yellow to, then we'll have a white region, and if the temperature is much more, then it is going to be the bluish color. So if you are comparing the given options, we can say that this red color is having less. As the temperature increases, it may change to yellow, then yellow to white. Over here we will not be able to see a green color region. If you are just observing by the wavelength, we may feel that it is going to change from like violet, from red to violet region, so green may come in between, but we are not getting a green color over here, so we'll get a like white, then we are going to get bluish region. So according to question, we can say that white is more appropriate answer.